Hello children, and now we are going in this session we are going to discuss about book review. Book review. As I have told you earlier as well, review is a word which is made by adding re plus view. Read plus view means it has to be your whatever view is there, it has to be your view. You have to give your opinion. That is a review. So book review is also there in your course. It is also a part of directed writing and it is often asked in an examination. So always remember that whenever we talk about book review, we should be concerned with firstly our concern should be always remember when we are talking about book review, our first concern should be read and read. Read and read. If you want to write a book review, always remember that the best way of writing a good review is to get yourselves into the habit of writing a review. If you get yourselves into the habit of writing a review, then obviously you will be able to write. Get yourselves into the habit of writing and get yourselves into the habit of regular reading, and that reading is going to be beneficial for you whenever you try to produce a review. So always remember children that whenever you plan to write a review, always remember that before writing a review, you should give good amount of time to reading and reading. When I talk about reading, when I am talking about reading and when we are dealing with the topic book review, means that whenever you are writing a book review of any particular book, before that you must read that book and you must develop this habit of reading regularly, not only of that particular book. In fact, during the course of your examination or during the course of your evolving as an individual, evolving as students, acquiring skills, acquiring language skills, acquiring speaking, reading and writing skills, you should first of all get yourself into the habit of reading. Reading is one of the most important essentials before you write a review, before you write a book review. Now talking about book review, you should read a lot. That is there. Then secondly, you should be able to understand. Once you develop the habit of reading, the next thing that you will be able to acquire is understanding of language. Understanding of language. Again, it is very important for you understanding of good understanding of language you should be having, and only when you read a lot, then only you can develop this habit of understanding any language properly. Is it clear? And always remember that whenever you, as I have told you about film review, that similarly about book review, whenever you are writing a book review, always remember that your book review should be such that it convinces the reader to buy the book. Or to spend that 300 or 400 rupee that is to be spent on buying the book in a very logical way, and you should present your review in such a systematic manner that it should give a logical understanding of the book, and it should actually give the real value of the book. Whatever value book carries along with it, your review should give that value, should be depiction of that value also. Clear? Now, there are various essentials before we give a book review. As I told you, reading, then understanding. Then thirdly, there has to be if you are the reading, as I said, that it is very important. Then there has to be whenever you are describing a book, there has to be a you should be equipped with the minutest of information regarding the book. You should be able you should acquire minutest of information regarding the book. Minutest of information includes physical appearance. All the information regarding the book, you should have all the information regarding the book. Regarding the book, physical appearance, then title, genre means the type of book, whether it is a fiction, whether it is a horror, whether it is a autobiography, whether it is a biography. So you should be aware of the physical appearance means whether the book is large in size, whether the cover is hard bound or soft bound. You should be aware of it. Then the title of the book, if it is if talking about autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar, which says "Playing It My Way," then you should be aware of what "Playing It My Way" means. What does the title of the book depicts? That is presenting it, seeing it, perceiving it his way. It means perceiving it his way. Similarly, the type of book, it is autobiography. You must write the type of book it is. Then you should be knowing about you should be giving detail about the price of the book. When you are talking about price, always remember that you should be able to mention whether it is suitable for a reader to spend that much amount on buying the book or not. So you should give that information. Then next, you should be aware of the number of pages that are there in the book. Number of pages that are there in the book. Characters that are there in the book. All these information, all these are very essential for you to all these information is very essential for you to have whenever you are talking about writing a book review. Is this much clear to all of you? Now, whenever you are writing a review, always remember that your focus should be on the content that is there in the book. That is, for example, if you are reading a book based on any any character, then the message that the book carries along with it, you should be aware of it. That is the theme around which the book revolves. You should be aware of it because you are critical evaluator of that book. You are giving people your opinion about that particular book. So you should be aware of the message that the book carries. Then next, you should have. You should yourself develop understanding of the content on which the book is dealing. You should yourself brief yourself, you should yourself upgrade yourself with knowledge on that content before you write a review. Then nextly, whenever you are writing a book review, children, always remember that a book review becomes very attractive when you write the original lines from the book. If you have read that book thoroughly, then whenever you are describing a book, it will become very easy for you to write original lines from the book. Then if you're finding that book very much knowledgeable, than the other books of same genre that you have read previously, then always, if you have finding that book more appealing than the other books that you have read of the same genre, then obviously you can compare two books in your review, and on the basis of your comparison you can say that the book review on the book which you on the book on which you are writing a review has more appeal, has more importance, has more relevance as compared to the other books of same type. Then you can say, at the end you have to give your final judgment, final review of how your take is, what your opinion is on the book. Just like you give in film review, similarly, and in the end you will give your opinion on the book as well. Now, for today we will stop over here. In the next class for directed writing, we will look into the format of book review. Thank you so much, children.